In today's video, I want to show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop PC. There are two ways to this. The first process is the longest process, while the second process is the easiest process. So watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to have the access to the shortest process of enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop computer. First, go to the start button here, click on it, click on settings, come back to this place, click on accessibility, then scroll down here, you see interaction, scroll down until after to keyboard, click on it to expand it. Now scroll down to get access to on-screen keyboard, click on this button. Now you can see that the on-screen keyboard has come out. So this is useful. Maybe you want to touch screen and you want to type very fast, then you can use, or sometimes your keyboard input is not working very fine. I mean the art part of it, use the keyboard your device is not working very fine, then you can engage on this keyboard to use it. Now this is very simple and easy. So the second process is very simple, is to combine three keys together, Window plus Control plus O. Then it brings to this interface, you access it. Can you see? It's very simple and easy. So that's all guys on how to enable on-screen keyboard on your laptop PC. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.